Understanding Grinding Your Gears, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard before, grinding your gears. It's a colorful expression used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can add an interesting layer to your English communication. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Grinding your gears refers to something that annoys, irritates, or frustrates you. Imagine the gears in a machine not fitting or moving smoothly together, causing friction and malfunction. Similarly, when something grinds your gears, it disrupts your mood or peace of mind, much like gears grinding against each other would disrupt a machine's operation. The phrase likely comes from the world of automobiles and machinery, where gears must mesh smoothly for systems to work properly. When gears grind, it indicates a problem or misalignment, leading to damage or inefficiency. This imagery is applied metaphorically to describe personal irritation or frustration in daily life. To help you understand how to use grinding your gears, here are a few examples. It really grinds my gears when people don't listen to instructions. One thing that grinds her gears is when flights get delayed without warning. Isn't it grinding your gears that he always shows up late? These examples show the phrase in action, illustrating personal annoyances in different contexts. While grinding your gears is the common formulation, you might also hear variations like, "That really grinds my gears," or "It grinds my gears when." The essence remains the same, emphasizing something that causes frustration or annoyance. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, grinding your gears. Now that you understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it, you can add this expressive phrase to your English vocabulary. It's a great way to convey feelings of annoyance or frustration in a vivid and relatable manner. We hope you found this video helpful and that it adds a new layer to your English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.